Good afternoon. I am Harshan Nair. See, we can classify the period like before Corona and after Corona. You know, so many businesses affected due to the COVID-19, mainly travel industry, so connected travel industry, hotels, airlines, hospitality industry, rent-a-car industry, everything affected. Next one is cinema theater. People don't want to go to cinema theater. No traditional theaters will exist because you can sit at home, subscribe to some online channels, and enough you can get so many channels. And the third one is print media. There will not be advertisements, newspaper, news, everything, because everything you are getting online. And the next one is big showrooms. Before you can go to big showrooms, now what they are doing, most of the car sales or very expensive like BMW, Mercedes, Lamborghini or Maserati, they are doing online sales because they can reduce that overhead expenses and get benefit to the buyer. And hotels already affected, and other repairing, maintenance business, everything it is affected. And there is no meetings. There is big halls, convention centers. People will not come because now the new everybody is changing to digital. You can have a Zoom meeting with 500 or 300 people with less expense. They will stay at home. You can contact them anywhere in the world. Otherwise, you have to book hotel, you have to book ticket, people have to come, arrange transport, and 2 days, 3 days, very expensive. Now that traditional convention meetings, experiences, all gone. Tourism, ticket, travel, it affected. And commercial space, no need office. The COVID proved that no need an expensive office, big office. You can do with a flexi desk. So the online mainland businesses will, traditional businesses will be less, and people will shift to free zone businesses because free zone no need a office, a flexi desk, only paper. You can do by Zoom meeting and no call. No, nowadays after this 4, 5, 6 month experience, very less people calling. So it will affect the telephone industry, telephone people doing messaging. There is so many sites. You can do what the Kodak was the biggest company in the world one time when they were peak in 80s or 85. That time that company was having 150 workers all over the world. Now the biggest one is Facebook. It is less than 50,000 workers. Apple, same, big company, the topmost company, having 40,000 less workers. So you don't need much labor force also. And WhatsApp, 1.5 billion, 150 crores people to handle a dozen, 10 or 12 or 15 people is enough. And another going to affect is the reception, sales, all will be in automation. There is some robots. You ask, because people not visiting to the offices. You can do online, you can do. So the next booming will be mainly online, digital. Colleges, big universities, people investing in schools, colleges, buildings, infrastructure. No need. Now people going to online education because everybody is afraid, especially children. Very easy to affect them COVID. Parents afraid to send them out. So that education culture, education business also gone. All is going to online. It is a new world era. People not believing each other. People afraid each other. You have to take care. Once the vaccine comes, all will come back. But I doubt the traditional businesses, traditional markets will not come back. You no need to go a cinema theater, spending time, travel. You can have a 70-inch or 80-inch or even 100-inch, very less money you will get a TV. You can have a connection. So many channels there. You can subscribe to that. You can watch with the family. You can eat. And one more advantage, no need to spend 3 hours continuously. You can see 1 hour, pause it. You go for some other work, come and see later. So convenience is there. People and newspaper. People stop reading newspaper because you can see all the news online on your tab, on your mobile, that smartphone. So this, after COVID, people will change, already changing to a smart era. So all digitally, all online, everything will be online. All traditional businesses is stopped. So we will pray for the better thing. So many people, we lost so many friends all over the world. So many affected businesses. So many people lost the business, and we cannot expect that job market will come back again, because it take years of growth gone by 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. We can do only one thing. Everybody pray for the health, for the betterness of everybody. Thank you very much for watching the TV. Thank you.